Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. The news coming out of Russia and Ukraine, I predicted, I guess, by getting out of Ukraine a week ago, it's gotten a lot worse. Russia attacked Ukraine today and it sent the markets of the crypto markets plummeting, Bitcoin and Ethereum plummeting. It's very dangerous, hopefully, and I think it can escalate a lot more. So even though Bitcoin has dropped, Ethereum has dropped, I have shorts open on them. I think it can get a lot worse, and especially in the stock markets. World War III, or the potential of World War III, is very, very dangerous for markets. And I think the markets today, if you didn't sell out of stocks when I warned you a few days ago, me personally, I'm out of stocks. I bought Facebook yesterday. It's very low, but I think it can drop even more. And I just bought a little bit. I'm going to slowly ladder into stocks, and I'm going to ladder into Bitcoin and Ethereum as the fear gets worse. And the fear will get worse as tensions and things escalate. There's reports of bombings in Kiev, explosions in Kiev airport, country going into military lockdown. So there's a lot of it's very bad. Russia invading Ukraine is not good for any of the markets, not Bitcoin, not stocks, not the worldwide stock markets. So just be warned out there. I'm currently short Bitcoin, Ethereum. I will increase my short on this bounce on Bitcoin as well. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, join 70,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. Hopefully you sold on the 11th of November when I called the exact tops and got out of all markets. Then I traded the chop in between, bought stocks before a bounce, but sold the stocks and crypto markets 5 days ago. And now just short, I bought a little bit of Bit yesterday, but that also dropped quite a bit. I bought $35,000 a Bit. It dropped around $6,000, so took a bit of a hit on that. Let's jump into technicals on the financial markets for Bitcoin stocks and what I think is going to happen and what the technicals will predict. Technicals predict fundamentals. Technical analysis literally can predict wars and things like this because it shows what's going to happen. And if you're thinking technical analysis doesn't work, I'm going to show you how it works. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. So we're going to this 2-year trend line that Bitcoin is on has been breached. It had then a retest of this trend line. It held for a little bit and then it failed. This is 2 years of Bitcoin you're seeing moving, and Bitcoin just plunged yesterday. It went to today. It went to a low of there was around 76,000 Bitcoin sold. It went to a low of 34,000. So quite a big drop, but I think it's going to get worse. We have a lot of volume coming in. Drops don't finish with heavy volume. Drops finish on big buying green volume. So we're still having heavy red volume. So I think we've got further to drop. Moving average also crossing to head down. We're below the EMA ribbons. They've turned now for a full plunge about to occur. VPVR. That's where all the buying and selling is happening. And you can learn all this in my crypto course, Join 6,000 Students. The major buying was at 37,000. Now we're below that. It can really plunge fast. So be aware of that. The Crypto Guru bot switched to a sell. It fired a buy a week ago, and then it failed that buy on this news with Ukraine, and now it's switched to a sell. So the Crypto Guru bot again going back to a sell. Squeeze mob very oversold. Squeeze mob going to the red side. Stochastic very oversold, turning up. Money flows plunging out of Bitcoin. People are getting out of Bitcoin on this war news. 4 hourly charts. Stochastic very oversold. We're trying to get a bounce here. There is some buying volume, but in my opinion, this is going to plummet more. Supports, we're at just the major support areas. 32 and 28K is my targets. On the hourly, we're also trying to turn up to get some rebound, but I think it's going to rebound a little bit and then fail. I'm going to short this rebound, everyone. That's what's happening in Bitcoin. Also, let's check out Ethereum and let's check out stocks as well, because Tesla making new lows yesterday, and the markets are going to open. Look at this. Luna down 11%, Atom down. The altcoins getting hammered by this big drop from Bitcoin. So a lot of drops here right now. Ethereum down 7%, total market cap down now 1.5 trillion. And let's look at the supports for the total market cap. So all cryptocurrencies, we're bounced off that strong support, but we've got more to plunge. And I think the crypto markets are going to go, sorry, it's so windy here. I think we're going to go to 1.1 trillion. Expect another 400 billion wiped off the markets in this fear of war. Let's check out stocks like Tesla. And I'm going to show you my short trades that I have open on Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm going to add more to them. Tesla was down 7% yesterday, hitting my first target. Look at that, bounced exactly on my target. But my next alert is set at 680 at 720. But I think we're going to open. The markets can go really low on this fear of war with Russia. Potentially even 633, even possibly we can be going down to 545. So be aware of that. This could be a very big drop for the crypto markets and the stock markets. Let's look at what the Nasdaq is telling us. The Nasdaq is just on a free-for-all. It made a new low, and the next support on the Nasdaq is 12,000 and then 10,000. So we can get massive drops here. If you want to trade like you're going to see me, Drew, underneath this video, you can see links to this under the video. Smash up the thumbs up button. If I saved you from markets, if you got out when I warned, smash up this thumbs up button and comment down below. Comment and tell me, did I save you? Did I get you out of the markets in time? I'd love to know how many people I helped. Hit the subscribe button, join 70,000 people. Click the join button to follow my live trades in stocks and cryptos. Join 70,000 subscribers. And if you want to trade like you're seeing me do Bitcoin trading, this link is the software I use for Bybit. You get a sign-up bonus of 4,100 US dollars. Now I'm going to show you my shorts. So I've got two shorts open right now from yesterday. I've got Ethereum short up 110%, $501. I made money during this war, this Bitcoin drop and crypto drop. I've got Bitcoin short up $77. I'm going to add more to the short on Bitcoin because I think we've got more to go. This bounce is coming back, but I think we're going to have further drops. So I'm going to add another $1,000 to my short. Opening another 1,000 to the short. Confirm, I just added $1,000 to the short. Now this trade is around 1,500. I'm going to actually add more to this short. I'm going to move money over to my derivatives account. So I'm transferring money over to my derivatives account to add more to the short. So I'm going to move USDT. I'm going to move another $2,000 into the short. Well, let's do $3,000. I've got 65,000 of USDT. So I'll move another 3,000, confirm. That's adding, so you're watching me add to my derivatives, my short positions. So now I've got capital in here. I'm adding another $1,000, no, 1,000. I'm going to go heavy short here. Another $1,500 to my short position. So the Bitcoin short now is $3,000 short, $30,000 worth of Bitcoin. It's up 12%, $387. And my Ethereum short is currently $111 in the profits. I'm going to add more to my Ethereum short as well. So I'm going to short this war news. So I'm adding another $1,000 to my short on Ethereum USDT, done. Now my short on Ethereum, both trades are now open. I've got a $3,000 short on Bitcoin and a $1,500 short on Ethereum. I'm going to add more to the Ethereum short because in my opinion, war news for Ethereum is going to be drastically down. I'm adding another $1,000 to my short on Ethereum, done. So now my Ethereum short is around it's $2,200, $22,000 short on Ethereum, up $518. My Bitcoin short is $3,000, $30,000 short, up $400. I've got in here in my account $98,800. I took around a $5,000 hit on my Bit position. It's down 17%. I'm going to actually, I know that Bit can usually hold at $1.20, but with this war news, this is not normal news. So I'm going to close out this Bit position, which I bought yesterday, which cost me around $6,000 on the drop. So I'm closing my Bit position. I'm selling all my Bit that I had. So I'm selling 25,000. How much of Bit am I selling? I'm selling $30,000 of Bit, which took around a $5,000 hit yesterday. So Bit is now selling into USDT. Let's see my trades. The order is not yet filled, but it's sitting there, the order. I'm just going to close it because I think we're going to drastically drop on this war news when America wakes up. So I'm going to sell all my Bit here. Sell Bit, $1.85. Do selling. My order is sitting there with 30,000 quantity. It filled 10,000 of Bit. I'm going to sell more now. I'm going to close. I'm going to sell the remaining 10,000. So here, sell Bit. So the remaining $16,000 Bit sold. So now I'm all USDT, everyone. I'm going to sell Casta as well. Casta getting annihilated on this drop, and the markets are really going to react heavily here. Sell Casta. My short on Bitcoin now is up. My Ethereum short is up $638 now. It just moved up at around $200 or something since I started making this video. My Bitcoin short is up $525. So I've got shorts open. I'm going to add more to my Ethereum short because I really believe on this war news. So I got to move more to my derivatives account. So I'm going to move another $5,000 of USDT. And then I'm going to short down till the supports. And then so I'm going to let me move move $5,000. I'm going to add another $1,000 to my Ethereum short. Open short on Ethereum, done. So now this Ethereum short is valued at $3,200 of Ethereum shorts right now, and my Bitcoin short is valued at $3,000. I'm going to add more to the Ethereum short. I think we can drop a lot more than people expect here. Adding another $1,000 to my Ethereum short. So now I'm short around 17 Ethereum, and I'm short 1 Bitcoin. I'm going to add more to my Bitcoin short as well. Bitcoin will hold for a little bit, but I think we're going to drop. So I'm going to add another $1,000 to my Bitcoin short. Done. Confirmed. short to open. So now my shorts on Ethereum and Bitcoin, I've got 1.1 Bitcoin short and I've got 17 Ethereum short. Now Ethereum is up $700 since I started up in the last few hours, and Bitcoin is up $572 of profits. And stay safe out there. I think the stock markets will also drop. I'm going to sell my Facebook shares that I bought a few days ago, but a small portion of them, because I think the stock market will get nuked. Once it gets nuked, that's when I'm going to buy everything. And again, if you want to trade like you saw me do, underneath this video, under the video here, you can follow these links: Bitcoin Trading Bybit. Sign up, you get a $4,100 bonus. And I saved people from these drops. Look at the comments, some of the comments. So this news just in: 2 Turkish Air Force NATO assets are probably still on the ground at Kiev's Bruspol airport. The airport is currently under Russian attack. Reports of Russian air sirens in Lviv in western Ukraine. Ukraine imposes martial law across its territories. Something bad in the air tonight. We're under national emergency. Airports are shutting down. Military reserves have been called up. Luckily, I got out of Ukraine a few days ago. Breaking blast heard in Kiev. Thank you for doing your trades live. Makes you stand out. Thank you, Marion. Guys, if you're new to crypto or leverage trading, please take James's course first before you start anything. Super update, top interview. Thanks, bro. Always. I told these courses like Harvard, what they teach those who go to economics. And yes, so hopefully stay safe. And I think the markets will drop heavily. I'm going to close my Facebook shorts. My Facebook longs and my Facebook stocks. I'm going to close them. I'm going to be mainly short until we get extreme fear, which is coming up in the next few days on this war news. If there's any escalation with Russia, with the US, we'll have so fear drops, and then I'm going to buy up everything. Thank you for watching, everyone. And this is a chance of a lifetime. It's terrible, terrible news. But financially, when there's blood in the streets, unfortunately, hopefully not literally, that's the time to be buying up everything. I wish peace for everyone. War is so stupid. We're in 2021, 2022, and people are still killing each other and going to war. What the so stupid world we're living in. Be smart. You want peace for everyone. Everyone wants to say, I've traveled the whole world. You've seen me on my channel living in so many countries. Everyone wants a happy family, beautiful love, kids, abundance. All of this other shit is bullshit. Government's trying to fuck everyone up. So just be peaceful with everyone. If you're watching this from Kiev, I wish you the best. Let's all pray for them and pray for the world in general. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button, smash up the thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.